This is something that never happens, but I got two packages, two pretty awesome pieces. I know this one's for sure the black the black and white embroidery hoodie, and this is the orange kill hoodie. They somehow magically, I purchased them 2 separate days, and boom, they still came at the same time. So we're gonna unbox them. First, we're gonna move this box and get into the embroidery first, because we're gonna go from not heat to heat, obviously, but this is still some heat no matter what, but got it for a great price. A price I'd like to keep private. Thank you very much. Check it out. Boom. Oh my goodness. Yes, dude, I'm so glad I got this back. It looks clean too. Look at the threading up close myself. No issues. None in my eyes. Oh my god, this is perfect. Tags perfect. I got it back, ladies and gentlemen. But in the size that I actually wanted. And now I have the traded version. I traded this in a XXL for my Mickey tee. Now I got that in an XL, which actually fits me a lot better. Now we're gonna pause this and go to part 2 for the orange kill hoodie. All right, next up, the freaking orange kill hoodie, ladies and gentlemen. Just unboxed this awesome embroidery hoodie. What? Wait! Thank you! Here we go. Already kind of opened by the post office for whatever reason. But he did bubble wrap it, so I'm happy with that. I know for a fact it's wrapped safely. Look at that, bubble wrapped, freaking with some newspapers to make sure it's fine. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my god, you put like a bunch of freaking, let's go, I got coupons! Here it is. Oh, it's glory. Wrapped and made sure it got here safely. He's gonna get a great review. The other package was from Depop. This is from Mercari. How do I open this now? I gotta find a way to open this. Be back for part 3. All right, so we're gonna use my butterfly knife, just the knife portion, to open it. Just gotta get rid of the tape there. Get rid of the tape over here, and we're good. Hopefully this condition is everything I hoped and dreamed of, because it's a 2X, 2XL. All right, it's that time. Oh, never mind. He made sure to really make this shirt really safe, and I'm happy about that. I love that people take appreciation and make sure it's safe travels. Probably gonna make another part to this. Gotta make sure you don't get the hoodie. Just kind of nicked myself, but we're good. It's open finally. We're gonna open it for the next part. Finally, the moment of truth. Here we go. Of all this. This is it. Oh, who did this? There we go. The hoodie has been exposed. XXL. Oh, very, very fair. See the hand. See if it's cooked as much as I thought it was. Nope, very fair, dude. I'm okay with this. I probably overpaid for sure, but with that being said, I think this is a great rockable one. I could wear this for sure. Arm sleeve text. Clean still. This one's actually very clean. Very interesting. All 3 different versions are different in their own way. Like the Avenged logo, it's a lot softer than my other ones. It's got it cracking, but it's still in good shape, and I like it. Very worth it.